Alright, I need some help, people. This thing runs like crap. I've replaced the coil packs. Has a bad misfire that comes and goes erratically. Sometimes it misfires, sometimes it runs great, and then goes back to misfiring. I've sprayed carb cleaner, flammable MAF cleaner on the vacuum lines and whatnot, and I haven't been able to find any leaks or anything. Cleaned out the idle air control valve, tested with a multimeter the idle air control and the throttle position sensor, checked all around for any kind of air leaks. Like I said, brand new coil packs. I am getting a check engine code occasionally. It's a overspeed for the idle air control valve, but I can't imagine it being stuck open even all the way would make it run as crappy as it sometimes runs. So I'm going to start it up and see what happens. Start idling up, and then it will be fine after that. Now it's running fine. Oh, let me know. I can't figure this out.